The current CMHT facility is housed at Coaling Island. For years, discussions were had about proposed improvements and refurbishments. Then, after Victoria Quays was announced, in April 2019, the conversation turned to moving the facility entirely. Plans were initially announced last year to move the facility into St Bernard's Hospital, a decision the government said was the product of years of stakeholder consultation. However, after significant public backlash, the government cancelled these plans. It insisted this wasn't a U-turn, but rather they were following the advice of clinicians. This was over a year ago. Fast forward to June this year, when Gemma Arias-Vasquez spoke about upcoming plans on Viewpoint.
The facility itself needs to be modernised.
Where is this hub going to be?
I can't announce it just yet.
Have you found a place?
We found a place. I think I've got the financing almost falling into place. We're having the final discussions in the next couple of days, so that in the next 2 weeks we actually have that. And yes, it's something that I desperately want to start talking about because it's quite an exciting project.
A few weeks later, the announcement was duly made, both in Parliament and in a government advert.
We will be refurbishing the old Gibraltar Chronicle printing press building to accommodate the new community mental health facility.
We've listened to clinicians and we are not moving the facility from Coaling Island to St Bernard's. We're moving it here to a central location in town.
That was the most recent public statement on the matter. In recent weeks, GBC received reports that these plans were no longer going ahead. I reached out to Number 6 a number of times for confirmation or further information, but the government has refused to confirm or deny the reports, instead providing the same answer each time, that nothing has been cancelled and that all options are being explored. The end result appears to be a lack of transparency on a facility which serves some of the most vulnerable members of our community. They will need to wait, along with the rest of us, to find out if the project is going ahead, as was announced, or if alternate plans will once again need to be made.